Hi, my name is Kyle Scoresby. I'm a divorce and family law lawyer. Divorce cases can take sometimes a year or more from start to finish. That's a long time, and it's very difficult sometimes for people to get through that whole year without some temporary support or some temporary court orders deciding where the kids are going to live while the case is pending. So, fortunately, in Arizona, the courts have authority to grant temporary orders. Temporary orders are simply orders that go into effect before the divorce is final and they end when the divorce becomes final. The common areas where judges grant temporary orders would be children, so who gets to make the decisions for the children while the case is pending, where the children live, how much time they spend with each parent. Also, support. Spousal maintenance and child support can be ordered on a temporary basis. Another important temporary order that judges can issue is to award one of the spouses exclusive use and possession of a marital home. Can you imagine how difficult it would be to live for a year while you're going through a divorce process with your spouse in the same home? That could be very difficult, and sometimes it can be even a safety issue. If their parties begin to argue, it could escalate into violence, and if the judge makes that kind of a finding, the judge can decide that one spouse should have exclusive use of the home while the case is pending. Another important temporary order that can be a very powerful tool is seeking equal possession of the liquid assets. So let's say, for example, the parties have a bank account with $50,000 in it, and just before the divorce, the husband transfers that money and puts it in just his name. He hasn't broken any laws, but now he's got $50,000 sitting there in a liquid account. Well, the wife can file a motion to equally divide possession of that account. Finally, in certain instances, it may be possible to get a temporary order without notice. They are very rare, but they are available if one of the parties can show that without this temporary order without notice, a child would be in danger of irreparable harm. You might be able to get a temporary order without notice. So, for example, if you got one parent that's on drugs or has physically abused a child and you can show the judge that, the judge may grant a temporary order without notice.